Good morning, it's Thursday, October 15th, 2015. I'm forecaster Mark Spencer from NeoWeather.com. Clouds will increase through the morning today. It'll also be very breezy. Rain is likely tonight with a cold front moving through. And will that mean a cold weekend with some mixed precipitation? I have all the details on that coming up in just a moment. It's cold and clear out there in most locations this morning. We do have a few clouds moving across the lake, and some of that's going to skirt the lake shore and may move on shore east of Cleveland in a little bit, generally about 7 to 9 o'clock this morning. Otherwise, I'm expecting partly cloudy skies this morning with an increase in clouds this afternoon ahead of a cold front. It's pretty cold out there. We're going to take a look at temperatures in just a moment. First, let's take a look across the rest of the country, and those clouds are associated with a very weak trough that's going to just cross the lake there. Again, a few clouds maybe onshore east of Cleveland in the next few hours. Otherwise, we're watching this cold front that's back over Lake Michigan and into parts of Wisconsin, northern Illinois, and Iowa. That's going to head our way later this afternoon and this evening, and it's going to bring some rain to the area tonight. And then it's also going to bring some cooler temperatures for your Friday, and another cold front moves through Friday, and boy, that's really going to bring the cold air. Speaking of which, look how cold it is across the country this morning. It's pretty cold. Pretty much right in through here is about our 50-degree line, and everything north of it's 50 or less pretty much. How about 40s and 30s across many locations this morning. We do have some rain out in California where they do need it. That's about the only meaningful precipitation we have falling this morning. Chilly temperatures across the area this morning. How about 34 in Worcester this morning is our cool spot, 37 Mansfield, a little bit warmer Lorain, 38, 39 Dover, and Ravenna. Otherwise, the rest of you are in the low 40s, 42 Cleveland, 41 Akron, Canton, and Youngstown, 42 Ashtabula, 44 Mentor, and 46 in Port Clinton. A little warmer today compared to yesterday, but it's not going to last, however, and that is sad. Prepare for a cold weekend. You'll see how cold it looks to get coming up in just a moment. Our almanac for today, yesterday's high, 57, the low 50. The temperatures did not go very far. We were below average on our high yesterday. Our average high is 63, the average low 46. Our record low is 29. We won't get close to that tonight, fortunately, but it is going to be a chilly night nonetheless. 0.03 of an inch of precipitation yesterday brings us about a half an inch for the month. Sunrise is at 7:39 a.m. and sunset is at 6:47 p.m. On our futurecast, we're going to see pretty much a dry day for the most part here. We don't see rain until right about 5, 6, 7 o'clock from west to east. Bulk of the rain is going to move through this evening, 9, 10 o'clock. We're done with rain by about 2 or 3 in the morning. Then more showers for your afternoon, starting around lunchtime or so. And those are going to persist through the evening as that second cold front comes through the area. And that's really going to bring the cold air for the weekend. First, our forecast for today. A few clouds this morning. We'll see them increase through the morning hours with mostly cloudy skies this afternoon. Again, a little warmer, a high of 65. It'll be breezy with a southwest wind of about 10 to 15 miles an hour, and I do have a 20% chance for precipitation generally after 5 o'clock, so it's not going to be completely dry the entire day, but the rain's going to hold off until generally after the commute home later this afternoon. Akron and Canton, much the same here, high of 64. A few clouds this morning with increasing clouds this afternoon. Still breezy as well. And then as we look at the overnight hours, rain is likely from about 7 o'clock on through generally about 2 or 3 in the morning. Maybe a few isolated showers east of Cleveland. This would be far off to the east towards the state line around 5 o'clock. Otherwise, a variable sky for the rest of you. A chilly low right around 43. It's going to feel a little raw out there as you head out to work Friday morning with the moisture in the atmosphere and the cold temperatures. It's going to feel a little chilly. Winds will be varying from about 4 to 8 miles per hour. On our 7-day forecast, a little cooler for your Friday, 56, mostly cloudy with afternoon rain showers around the area. And then, the bottom kind of drops out, folks. Might see a mix of precipitation, rain, maybe some sleet, perhaps a snowflake. But I'm not too confident on the snow just yet, but rain and sleet certainly is a possibility. Not a very high one, as you can see. Same for Saturday, generally in the first half of the day. Rain, maybe a mix of some rain and sleet, possibly a snowflake in the morning. That'll be off to the east in your snowbelt counties. Otherwise, variable cloudy for the rest of you. How about 47 for a high? Could see that mix again Saturday night with a very chilly low right around 34. If we lose some cloud cover, we're going to have to be concerned with frost Saturday night. Sunday, we clear out with high pressure moving in, still cold, 48. A frosty Sunday night does look likely now. How about mainly clear skies and 33 degrees with light winds? So we look to end the growing season Sunday night. But we do warm up heading into next week. Mostly sunny for your Monday, 55. We're at 66 Tuesday, partly cloudy. It'll be windy though ahead of a cold front that's going to move through late Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night. Wednesday's high, 67 degrees.